Ready to unleash your creative potential, but hitting a wall with your Adobe Creative Cloud? Let's get your license activated quickly so you can dive into those amazing Adobe apps first. Make sure you've installed the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app onto your computer. If you have not, please do so. This is the main hub for managing your licenses. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app. You'll likely be prompted to sign in. And if you are not, click the Sign In button located typically at the top right. Use your Adobe ID credentials, the email and password associated with your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Enter your Adobe ID email and password, and click the Sign In button. Make sure the credentials are correct. Incorrect credentials can lead to many issues. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Apps tab where you see the software available. If your license hasn't been activated, the apps will likely say Start Trial or Buy Now. Check your account details by clicking on your profile icon displayed at the top right of the app. Verify the account reflects the correct Adobe ID and that your subscription is active. Your subscription information should be clearly visible within your account settings. If your license is correctly associated, you should now see the apps available for use. Clicking on any of these applications will now launch the software. However, there may be instances where you would need to ensure you have the correct installation available to proceed. If you're still experiencing trouble, please contact Adobe support for assistance with your license properly activated. You're ready to create.